prime factorization method. We have done this method, we have learned this method to find out HCF, LCM in our previous classes. This can be used to find out the square root. My dear, when the number is given as 6084, we will firstly write down in form of prime factor. To get the prime factor, as we know that it is divisible by 2, we will divide it by again it by 2. Now it will be divided by 3. Again it is divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by 13. So my dear, we can write down 6084 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Now we can see that there is one pattern being followed, that a number is being repeated. It means we have to find out pairs. We have to make pairs of these numbers. You can see that there is 2 2s, 2 3s and 2 13s. So we will write down in place of this, to remove this square root, we take out 1 out of that, 2 into 3 into 13, and this is equal to 78, and we got the answer that under root of 6084 is equal to 78. We can take another example of 2304. 2 Finally, we got 2304. Under root 2304 is equal to how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 3's are here. So we will pair them and we will write one digit in place of 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is equal to 48. My dear, now we will learn to find out the square root using long division method. So in long division method, it is stated that we will write 2 digit together here from the unit side. This is 5 2 as one pair, this is one pair, and since it is not in pair, so we will write down just 1. Now we have to write such a number over here which is being multiplied with the same number, and we will get either the product equal to this number or less than this number. Here 1, and we know that if 1 is multiplied repeatedly n number of times, we will get 1 only. So 1 1, and 1 into 1, it is 1. We will write 1 plus 1 here 2, and it is 1, and the quotient is 1. Now it is 0, nothing, it is 32. Again we have to follow the same process. Whatever the number we will write here, we have to multiply with the same number. Suppose we write here 2. We know that 22 into 2, that is equal to 44, which is greater than 32. So that is not suitable. So we will go with 1 less, this is equal to 1. 21 into 1, that is equal to 21. Here it is 1. Now it is the subtracted over here, 1, 1. 21 plus 1, that is equal to 22. Now again two numbers are here, so we will write down 25. Again the same process will be repeated. Whatever number we write here, it will be multiplied with the same number. Since we can see that it is 5, so we will try with 5. Finally we will get 5 into 5 is 25, 5 into 2 10 plus 2 12, and again 1, 2 5 are 10 and 11. It is same number, so our result is 115. You can take n number of the examples related to this. Now we have to use shortcut method, or we will have one exciting method which will reduce your time. My dear, you can see that I have written one table. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is 4, and likewise it is still 10. From here we can find out what is the possible unit number of a perfect square. Suppose it is a 1, then the square root of that will be 1. If 4, then the square root is 2. We will use this part to find out that one. The same process we will apply. First two questions we will understand in a short brief. Firstly, you will write down, or you can pair up the first two digit number. Suppose we take the example 3136. It will take hardly 2 seconds to 3 seconds. My dear, if it is a matter of practice. 3136, this is a number. Only one condition is that the given number should be a perfect square number. 36. Now from here we can find out 36 is the perfect square, then the unit place is either possible as a 4 or 6. It is either 4 or 6. Now what is the remaining part? That is your 31. We will check that 31 is just closest to the whose square? It is 5 square, because we know that 6 square is equal to 36, which is greater than 31. So we will use 5 square. Now our answer is either 54 or 56. To verify that, we will use 5 and its next number. Whatever the number is there, next number, the product. If the question is smaller, answer will be smaller one. If the question is bigger, answer will be bigger one. Let me explain it once again. This is 5. What is the next number to the 5? 6. 5 into 6, 30. Your question is greater, so answer will be greater 1. This 6, not 4. Let us verify with this one. Again it is 6. So it is again going with 4 and 6. Always there will be a sum of 10. Always. You can see, and we will verify also. Now it is 54. It is closest to the 7 square. It means it is either 74 or 76. To verify this, 7. 7 into 8. 78 is 50. 7 into 8 is 56. So your question is smaller. So answer will be smaller one. Similarly for this one, either this will be 3 square or 7 square. Again you can see that the sum is 10. Now it is 68. It is the closest to the perfect square number, that is 8 into 8, 64. So our second place is fixed, 8. What is the next number? 8 into 9 is 72. 8 9 are 72. So our question is smaller. So our answer will also be smaller one, not the 7 part. In this part again it is either 2 or 8. Again you can see that it is the sum of 10. 2 plus 8, 10. Now it is 125. And we know that 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. So 12 square is not applicable. So 11 is our fix. What is next number to 11? 11 into 12. That is equal to 132. So our question is smaller. 125 is smaller. So answer will be smaller one. Again here it is 3 or 7. Now my dear, again it is 12 square is equal to 144, which is greater than the given part. So we will use 11. 11 into 12 is 132. So 11 is fixed, but the question is now greater. 11 into 12 is 132. Question is greater, so we will opt answer as greater one. Thank you. All the worksheets and class notes are attached in the description.